bum ba-da-dum ba-bum bum 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 ba-da-dum ba-bum bum bum bum. Money, get away, get a good job and you'll be okay. Sorry, I just had to do that. Wait a minute. I don't want to get a job. I want passive income. And I'm sure that if you are watching this video, you are likely looking for passive income as well, right? Well, in this video, I'm actually very excited for this one because I'm going to be sharing the top 5 passive income ideas for 2020. So I'm very excited to get into this. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos every single day, or at least a few times a week on different ways that you could, of course, make money online, how to grow an online business, and different ways that you could, of course, work from home and all that type of stuff. So if you enjoy content like this, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel down below so that this way you can be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel whenever they are, of course, released. But without further ado, let's talk about passive income and the top ways that you could make passive income online. Let's get right into it. So the very first one that I want to go over here is what I believe is really a no-brainer. It's called Acorns.com, and this is actually a website. It's also a app that you can get on your mobile phone. Here's my phone. You can get the app on your mobile phone. Just search your App Store or Google Play or whatever it is you have. Search up Acorns and then sign up to sign up for an account here. Now, basically what this does is, I'd say it's more of, passive investing is what I like to refer to it as. Essentially what it does is you can link your bank account or your card with it, like your debit card, and then you could set an amount. You could pretty much customize it to say like, okay, every single week put in this amount, towards my Acorns investment account. So like you could say, every week I want $5 taken out and put into my investment account. You could say something like that, and then it'll automatically do that for you, every single week. And you could either do, $5, $10, 15, whatever it is that you feel comfortable investing in, investing each week, then you could have that automatically go into your Acorns investment account. So this is actually very convenient because it's a great way to start saving up some money while, you don't have to constantly remember to, stash, money aside. It's a great way to do that pretty much automatically. And on top of that, anytime that you make a purchase inside of a store, whether it's online or offline, it'll automatically round up every single purchase you make. It'll round up, like to the dollar amount. So like, for example, let's say that I spend $3.16, at the local dollar store. I pick up like a bag of chips or, something like that. Chips and dip. Something like that. I decide I want like a snack or something. I pick that up from my local dollar store, and then it'll automatically invest that other 84 cents into my investment account here. So it does that pretty much automatically, and this is a great way to start saving up some money rather quickly. And while it may not sound like a lot initially, like $5 a week, you just round up every purchase you make. This is something that can definitely add up over time rather quickly. And in fact, I've actually just signed up for this about, I want to say like a month or two ago. And already I've got almost $100 pretty much into my Acorns account right then and there. And it didn't really even feel like anything was even being taken out of my bank account. Like I hardly even, it's so little, it feels so little in the moment that you hardly even notice it. So it is a great way to start saving up, for the long term. And they even got a debit card that you can get, like a Visa debit card, and this will actually invest for you every time you make a purchase. So this is a great way to start saving up some money. And whether you are currently working, whatever it is that you're doing, and you want to start saving up money, this is definitely something that I would highly consider signing up for right then and there. And I will have a link down below where if you sign up through that link, I believe you will get like a $5 referral bonus. So that's just for signing up through my link. You get a bonus commission. I believe I also get a bonus from that. Just being totally transparent there. So if you want to sign up through that link and you want that bonus, then you could use my link down below. So Acorns is the first method that I want to go over. And again, this is the website here. It gives more information there, but let's move on to the second method, which is Kindle Publishing. So Kindle Publishing is a very great way to make some passive income, and this is through the Amazon platform. So basically what you're doing is you are selling ebooks, publishing ebooks on the Amazon platform. And what's great about this is that there is a very good earning potential. And then anytime, doesn't say it right here, but I believe it's about like a 70% commission that you make off of every single sale that is made. So you publish a book on Amazon, and anytime that someone makes a purchase of that book, they find your book, and considering that it's getting lots of purchases regularly, you will get a 70% commission on that every single time you make a sale. So that's pretty good when you compare it to, like other sources where you release your book, and typically you get like a much lower, commission amount. So this is a great way to start making some passive income, in the long term. And what's also great about this is that you may be watching this thinking, well, I've never published an ebook before. I've never written a book myself. And what's, the great thing about this is that you actually don't even need to write your own book yourself. You could actually hire someone on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork to write a book for you. You could pick a topic, and then you could have someone write a book for you, maybe anywhere from like 40 to like $100, very, very cheap compared to, what you'll be making in the long term. So this is a great way to make some passive income online. And it's one that not many people are actually talking about. I'm kind of surprised by that. And it's through the Amazon platform. So, since it's through Amazon, it's a great way to, start getting that passive income coming in the long term. And I do know someone that, has made, I think it's like around like 8,000 per month is what he was making from this. Doesn't do Kindle Publishing anymore, but it is a great way, at least from what I've seen and heard, that you could actually make some pretty good passive income with. So that's the second method. Third method is actually by selling your own courses online. So let me ask you a question. Is there something that you know about that you feel you could actually, teach someone? Is there something that you consider yourself rather knowledgeable about, and then maybe you could, of course, show someone else how to do that certain thing? I'm sure that if you're watching this video, there's at least something that that you could teach online. So, whether it is, showing, some sort of tutorial online, like how to install a program, how to set up a sales funnel, how to write emails, how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I got one right here, actually. And I've actually been practicing this for quite a while. I can actually solve this thing in under a minute, actually, believe it or not. In fact, I'll even do it right now live on video. Currently solving it there. Yeah. But yeah, this is one thing that I could, of course, consider teaching if I were to ever create my own course on here. I'm actually doing this live on video. Got the yellow side, as you can see there. Also got the red and the white. And I'm going to just finish this up real quick. Sorry, I'm getting distracted here. Hold on. Let me just finish this up real quick. And there it is. So I just solved the Rubik's Cube right there in video. This is something that I've been practicing for quite a while, and I've gotten really good at doing this. I could do it, pretty much like under a minute, as you just saw. Well, I actually had like half of it, pretty much solved already. So I kind of, just to kind of speed up the process of this video. But this is something that, maybe if you are good at this, you could actually set up a course on Udemy. Or another platform similar to this is actually called Skillshare.com. And basically all you have to do is you create a course, like a video course. I believe it has to be at least 30 minutes in length in order for it to get published. But you publish it on Udemy or Skillshare. And on Udemy, I believe you get like a commission on every single sale that's being made. Whereas Skillshare, I believe, is they pay like a membership fee like every single month, and there's like ads that play throughout your course, and you get like a commission from every ad that plays. So this is a great way to make some passive income. Again, another one that not many people are talking about. I highly recommend checking out Udemy, and both Udemy and Skillshare, because if you know anything at all, if you have a brain, then you could share something that you have, of course, learned, and you could help someone else, get that same exact result that you're getting in whatever area of life that it is that you are, teaching. But yeah, that's the third method that you could, of course, check out there. And as for method number 4, it is start a freaking YouTube channel already. Yes, that's right. Starting a YouTube channel is what I believe one of the smartest things that one can do if you are looking to make money online. I highly recommend, best long-term thing that you could really focus on is actually starting a YouTube channel. So whatever it is that you're passionate about, whether you are passionate about, anything really, the benefit with YouTube is that out of all the social media platforms out there, out of all the different platforms where you could, of course, share information, create any sort of content, YouTube is the only platform that will actually pay you through Google AdSense. So you could, they pretty much reward you for creating content on their platform. So it's a great way to make some passive income in the long term. This isn't something that you could fully depend on right then and there as soon as you get started, because you have to really focus on building up your audience. The larger following you have, then the more you could, of course, make in the long term. And in order to get approved for Google AdSense on YouTube, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. So those are the two requirements. I believe you have to have 1,000 subscribers. I'm currently not there yet, but I am, currently, of course, constantly learning and improving as I go along. And, even, like now I look back on certain videos I did, like a few months back, and I think, okay, there's something that I could have done differently. And, it's just something that you have to be really consistent with. You have to be posting content, rather consistently on a regular basis. And you have to be willing to, of course, learn and grow, because as long as you are willing to learn and grow, then your channel will, of course, grow along with it. So my best advice that I can give here is, for one, you got to be consistent. And two, you got to be willing to learn and adapt to, trying new things on your channel. The more you could change things up, the more you could stay consistent. And, the more you're just willing to, of course, take inspiration from other people that are doing well and, modeling on what they're doing, then this is ultimately what's going to lead you to having long-term success down the road. So YouTube is a great platform where you could pretty much, Google AdSense alone, you could pretty much make a full-time income on. So again, that is something that you do have to really build up over time, but it is a great way to make some really good passive income in the long term. So, I've been doing YouTube for quite a while now, like a few months, I think almost like a full year now. And I've been posting content, quite often on this channel. I recently took a break, but, I've of course came back, after feeling a bit burnt out, and now I'm back at, back doing this again. So I'm, of course, very excited for that. But let's move on to the very last method that you could, of course, make money, passively. And if you haven't already guessed on what this is that I'm gonna, of course, mention, then you have not been watching this channel long enough. It's in my channel name. It is affiliate marketing. So this is where you are recommending products and services that you have, of course, used it yourself. And then anytime you refer a customer to check out a product or service that you're, of course, using, then you get paid a commission. So someone, watches a video of yours, on YouTube, or maybe it's on a website, maybe you're doing paid traffic, and they check out a product that you're recommending. They buy the product because they trust you. They want to, see, learn more about the product, and then you get paid a commission when you refer that customer to that marketplace. So in this case, I'm currently on the Amazon Associates Marketplace, and this is Amazon's affiliate program. So I could pretty much sign up to become an affiliate for Amazon and recommend any product off of the Amazon Marketplace. So it's pretty good. Anything that you could think of, technology, clothing, health and wellness, cooking, safety, hardware related stuff, technology. I think I mentioned that, iPhones, hair products, anything that you could think off of Amazon, you could recommend and earn a commission on. So that is a really great way to get some passive income coming in the long term. And what's also great about Amazon's affiliate program is that not only do you get a commission for anyone that clicks on your link and buys a product, but anything that they buy within 24 hours off of Amazon, after clicking your link, you also get a commission on. So like, let's say that I'm recommending, like, I don't know, like, let's say like an Amazon Fire Stick or like a Roku TV. Well, someone clicks on my link, and let's say they don't necessarily buy that product right away, but maybe they buy like another product, like an hour or two later. Like they buy like a dresser, or they buy like a, big expensive TV. Well, even though that's not the exact product that I'm recommending, they still clicked on my link. I got them to Amazon. They make a purchase, and then I also get paid a commission for that. So that's a great way to make some passive income in the long term. And if you can get a large enough following, then it is a great way to really get lots of passive income coming in. So the downside, though, with Amazon is that you get up to 10% advertising fees. That is kind of the downside. But there are other, affiliate marketplaces out there that you can, of course, check out. Like one is, of course, ClickBank. They've got primarily digital products, and with this platform, there's a bit of a bigger earning potential because they pay anywhere from like 30 to like 80%. I'd say like around 30 to 50% on average for a single sale that you make. But I'd say it really depends on the product that you're, of course, promoting. Like if I go to affiliate marketplace, and I, of course, look through the different niches that are available, it'll give some information on what I could expect to earn when, recommending one of the products. So like if I go into like the e-business and e-marketing niche right here, it'll give a list of different offers that I could promote. Like, right here, ClickBank University, 70K students, recurring for life. For one single sale of this product, it'll pay around, on average, $304.55. Imagine if you can make one sale of that per day. That's, well above a full-time income online. So anyways, those are the top 5 ways, the top 5 passive income ideas that you can, of course, check out. And anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments down below. Also, give this a thumbs up because it really does help the channel. And if you would like to learn more about how to really build a business through the concept of affiliate marketing, if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing long-term and how to actually, succeed long-term, then you could check out my free training down below, which is the very first link. That'll give you access to my free training, and that'll go more into depth about how to really do affiliate marketing and how to get the long-term positive results. So if you're interested in learning more, definitely be sure to check out that #1 link. But anyways, hope you found this video helpful, and take care.